So, hello and welcome back, guys, to another live trade recap. So, yesterday, I had taken the trade. So, we are going to be doing the trade recap that I've taken yesterday, 22nd of April. 22nd of April. So, yeah, let's just jump right into the trade recap. So, I have already journaled the trade yesterday as well. So, as you can see, for the previous week, it is going a little bit rough, but technically, I would have taken this trade like again if I would got the opportunity. So yeah, let's just head on to the trade review. So yeah, this was the trade. I had taken the trade exactly around here. So I'll just quickly explain the overall daily outlook of the market yesterday. So going on to the session, we had stacked session low like yesterday's. Day before yesterday, we do had both stacked session low. Then we ended up, market ended up going and not tapping this, but we ended up putting an SMT inside this. The 9:30 a.m. open didn't do anything particular. Like I thought the 9:30 a.m. open might just directly go and take out the all-time high, but that didn't happen. We just kept below that and we displaced through this 15-minute gap. So my overall thought process was if we displace through the 15-minute gap, most likely we will take out this Asian low, London low. This is blues London, red is Asian. We'll take out this low, then we can come to the 1 hour unmitigated fair value gap. So this was my overall thought process. Though, so then I waited for the macro time to open. If you see here, I waited for the so 944, 945, 946, 47, 48. As you can see, before that time, we had got a nice displacement and we ran through this 1 minute fair value gap and also this. So we inverts to 1 minute fair value gap, but we didn't get change the state of delivery. But that is not kind of my entry as of this setup, because overall I was thinking that if the 5 minute closes below this, then I can look for entry, and the 5 minute did indeed close below this, and we also had an SMT here. So this was like perfect opportunity to take a shot here. I don't know like if I'd done any mistake in taking this trade, but technically this if I would get this trade again, I will take this trade one more time, because technically here you cannot argue that from this point nearest drawn liquidity is this also. There is nearest drawn liquidity is on all-time high as well, so it could go to either. But the shots look more favorable, and I had taken my entry there, and it just swept out all this low. Technically, I don't know if I would have put my stop loss to break even, because this is how many handles. Let's check it out. Okay, so this is 30 handle. I don't like it happened very quickly. I'll just show the session recording as well. Then it directly went and stopped it. I thought that if it would have touched the intermediate low, I would have put break even and also taken out partial, but that didn't happen. It went out and ended up stopping me out. It started rejecting the 5 minute, but yeah, again went down and just directly stopping out and directly went on to take out the all-time high and kept going to the upside. Okay, so yeah, I'll just show the session recording. So this is the session recording. If you see here, market had opened here. I'm waiting for the opportunity here. 959, 941. Then we formed a first presented fair value gap pair and we started rejecting that. Also, we started rejecting the 5 minute unmitigated, which had the newly 5 minute bearish fair value gap which had opened up. Okay. So after that, waiting. I'm waiting here. Then we formed an SMT. Then we got a nice displacement to the downside. I'm waiting for the 1 minute to get inverts. This 1 minute is also available here. This also got invert. This also got both of them got inverts. Then I had taken my entry there. Okay, here, as you can see, at this point I had taken my entry. Now, like, I could not put my stop loss to break even because it was not even a 1:1 trade. So yeah, I don't know. Like, tell me if you guys had taken this trade. But yeah, this was technically my macro setup. As you can see, this happened very quickly as well. This move, and it just swept out and it just kept going forward. Now, technically, once I've taken the trade, either it is break even, profit, or stop loss. Now I cannot just close the trade because I feel like it. So yeah, I just kept it running and it eventually went and stopped me out. So yeah, this was the PNL I'd taken the trade on. two both of the Lucid accounts. So one account is $200 a month, so one was 142. I had taken around three lots, three contract here and two contract here I had taken. So there was the overall trade review, nothing much more. It was a short review. I have written out everything. I didn't make any mistake. Mistake I have written down is all time high because market is right now in all time high condition. So yeah, it is very confusing which way the market will most likely go. So I didn't overtrade. I didn't do any mistake, major mistake from my side. I have taken this setup which looked perfectly while this market was playing out. Okay. So yeah, and new thought process going into tomorrow or going into the further trading session. So I'm going to be trading London session and I'm going to be start trading the forex pairs in the London session. So yeah, I'll post the trade recaps if I take any trades tomorrow or from the next week onwards. If I do take some trades, I have already added some pairs here, pairs which are looking good for next week or even tomorrow, Friday. So yeah, I'll update the channel. I'll update if I take any trades. I'll put the trade recap over here as I do always. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Peace out. Thank you so much guys for watching.